Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a quick video going over two callouts that I made intraday in the chat room for the gains. The first one being on ZM. I want to explain why I made these callouts. So I noticed this morning that Zoom video was really wound up pretty tight. Ignoring this green candle right here, we had like an indecision candle just basing here at this support line. And we were having pressure being pushed down and pressure being pushed to the top. So I was looking for a break either way on this name. I even called it out in chat 30 minutes after market opened, said ZM is wound up. And then again, 15 minutes later, said pressure at 97 on ZM. So if we go into the 5-minute chart, you could see why I made that call out about the pressure right at 97. So this is a nice whole number natural area of resistance for stocks. And I saw that we had like this ascending triangle forming here, right? So we had this baseline here at 97, but we had pressure, buying pressure being pushed up, and then we actually had a doji candle form here on the 5-minute, and then we had this one pop candle right above, but the volume wasn't there, so it didn't send it. I alerted it again. Another 15 minutes later, there's that ZM pop. And then next thing we know, volume poured in, and this thing made the move up. I think for what is that, 99.50? Yeah, for a $2.50 move to the top side. This was pretty much an A+ setup play right here. The next one that I called out was on TTD trade desk. Yes. So it's a very similar. I saw a very similar pattern on TTD. Looking at the 1-day chart, we had this nice run up. So we sold off, right? And then yesterday we had this nice run up. And today I noticed we were sitting right here at the tops of these candles at like 252. So on the 5-minute chart, what I liked is that yesterday we closed at this level. And then this morning when we opened, we kind of did this like zigzag pattern where we were working our way up to testing 252. And we finally get two big green candles in a row, break 252. And when I called it out, yeah, I said TTD is worth watching here right at, and so an hour after market open, and then I alerted it again, TTD over 252. Once we got that break over 252, which was above this high point here, see we draw a trend line across the bottom here. We can see that we've been being pushed up. So once we got that break above 252, and then this volume came in. We made a nice $4.50 move here to the top side. And this was another really easy A+ trade. You don't always have to take trades right at the open when all of this indecision is happening. Sometimes it is better to wait for the setups to come to you. Both of these were fairly low risk plays, in my opinion, and we already had a direction. We could see that this thing was being bought up. All the dips were being bought up, bought up, bought up. Anyways, I hope this video helped you guys, and as always, if it did, like and subscribe. Thanks.